Bird, 1975-0221. 1975-0221. G50, how about the 10-6 on Senators for both listening?
James, you know your license expired?
No, I didn't know that.
I think you did. It expired 5 days ago, so I'm not going to give you no ticket for it, okay?
I'm going to get my
Do you have it with you, your ID?
Yeah, I didn't know my
You was what?
We were just talking about that.
Y'all were? Okay. I got you. Well, let me run your stuff real quick, okay? Hop out with me. I'll give you a warning as long as that's it, okay? Smells like you're burning oil, man.
Yeah, I know.
Oil.
I had a car for 8 pounds. They already
I got it ready. Any weapons on you at all, James? I'll pass it down just to make sure.
I got a lot of water.
Where you work at?
I'm helping a guy put up a fence.
What kind of fence? Barbed wire?
Yeah, not barbed wire, but the other kind. You know, about 5 foot 6 feet.
Yeah. For what, cows?
Put some goats in there.
Goats? Okay. That'd be good. Give me 1 second. Hold on.
In southbound. It's probably running about 110 right now. I'm still trying to get up there.
Here. Have a good day.
Okay, I'll get it.
All right. G26 TAPD unit. What was your traffic on that vehicle?
It's a lot small today. I just come up to 71 and up 49 now.
I'm on 71. Are you southbound, northbound?
Southbound.
10-4, let me know if it goes towards 151 or something.
See if I could not be going to 71. Right behind you. Just turned eastbound to 71.
G26, got a car might be fleeing from me, just turned on the old Blackman Ferry Road off the highway 71. Go ahead and shut the 1037. White Port Fusion. No traffic, 100.
Oh, yeah, direction at G22.
10-4, stick with that trooper. 10-4, speeds are about 100 right now, going down on Blackman Ferry. Going east, I'm about a mile behind you.
Show me your hands. Show me your fucking hands. Get out now. Show me your fucking hands. Get out. Climb through the window. Get the fuck out. Climb through the window. Climb through the goddamn window. Chance behind your back. Don't fuck around. Right here. Who's letting them know I'm 10-4? Roll your side. All right, now sit up on your knees. Sit up on your knees. trying to get these vines off of you. Good? All right, stand up. Any vines on it? Huh? All right, so what's the... Sit for me. Get that face. Sit down for me. You hurt anywhere? Huh? No?
All units.
Is that you? Yep. That's his bumper. I couldn't slow down.
Did you hear me on the radio?
I
never heard you once come across. I told you to go ahead and start calling the pursuit. You weren't. Was I?
He was on there. I'll switch back to us. Let's see what he got going on in that car, man.
I don't smell anything other than smoke. I just put it in the car and turned it off.
Yeah, search the person good. He was 100 plus right here. We negotiated that. I was the same dude. I slammed on it. I knew he'd do that, but I had it locked up. It's right here in the seat. I'll let that tow truck get it out of here and we'll search it then.
Once you get out your way, so you go and take him, and I'll just let him soak.
Yeah, if you want, I'll just back up and hang out for a second at least. You let them know I'm good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I kept getting phone, and I was like, surely I'm not off the channel right now, but nobody's answering me, and I was like...
First, I thought he was about to stop up there, and then he just punched it right here, so... where'd you catch him at? Well, he's going 100 plus just right away?
Yeah.
49?
And then
Past you?
9, yeah.
AKF 33E.
Never slowed down once.
Caleb, is that your name? All right. Just trying to make sure you're good.
Ever give up the tag?
I'm about to get to him now. I was able to ID him from it, so.
Yeah, I need him yet.
Yeah, he ain't talking to me though. He won't say a word.
Yeah, my bad, dude. You made a move.
G26 Hope. That tag's gonna be Adam King Frank, 33 Edward, AKF 33E. I'll get you the subject's name in a second. 26 Hope, you gonna pull me an OCA for learning. Hey, if y'all let me back out real quick, if we'll get to the road. 92906. That's his stuff. That's all his stuff. As far as I know, we'll see here in just a minute.